talking about diabetes, the deadly disease of diabetes. So every 7 seconds, one person dies out of diabetes in the world. Unfortunately, India is the diabetes capital of the world. So let's understand how do we equip ourselves to deal with this disease. Now first understand that there are three kinds of diabetes. Type 1, which is juvenile or insulin dependent diabetes, where the body does not produce insulin. Then there is type 2 diabetes, which is more the lifestyle, obesity and stress induced diabetes. So earlier it used to be 40 plus, but also was known as genetic. But now we're seeing a lot of youngsters in their mid 20s, late 20s getting it. So it's more of environmental disease than really a genetic disease now. And then there is gestational diabetes, which is which a woman gets during pregnancy and goes back to normal once the delivery is over. So when our body cannot metabolize the sugar levels, either because of lack of insulin in the body or too much resistance of insulin because of high abdominal fat or peripheral fat. Also, please understand that apple-shaped body is more prone to diabetes than pear-shaped body. When we have central adiposity in the abdominal region, we're more prone to have insulin resistance. So what happens is that the food that we eat gets converted to glucose, and insulin is needed to transfer that glucose to millions of cells in our body. When there is insulin resistance, that process is not able to take place, and thereby there is loads and loads of glucose floating in the body. So which is why the blood sugar levels go high, and then there is excess urination, which then leads to excess thirst, which leads to swollen lips, headaches, and of course the disease itself. Once you're actually diagnosed with the disease, the first thing is please don't have mangoes, potatoes, rice, ghee, sugar. All these foods are totally forbidden is what we're told. But no, you can eat all of them. It's just that they are high glycemic index food, and they're more at ease of being digested easily and increasing the sugar levels. So eating them in smaller quantities, or even better if you club them with lower glycemic index food like pulses, legumes, vegetables, salads, fruits. That's how the whole combination works. So for example, you can have potatoes, but try and have potatoes with skin. Try and have new potatoes, and sweet potatoes are even better because they release sugars even more slower. You can definitely have rice. Try and have rice, brown rice or basmati rice, because they release sugars slowly. Diabetes can be reversed if you really reverse the way you eat. So let's look at some of the changes that we should bring about. One is, please don't consider food to be your enemy. Eating small frequent meals, so keep small gaps in your meals and keep the meals itself small, so portions small. High fiber, whole grain and low glycemic food is what you should be looking at, like oats, bran, whole wheat, chana flour, sprout, multigrain flour is what you should be looking at throughout the day in all your meals. 6 to 7 servings of vegetables and fruits, because the soluble fiber in fruits and vegetable makes the blood sugar levels stable. Adding ghee to the food brings down the glycemic index of the food. So a teaspoon of ghee, pure ghee, clarified butter in each of your meal. A golden rule for diabetics is no fasting and no feasting. So small frequent meals every 2 to 2.5 hours. Avoid refined flour in terms of in the form of maida, suji, refined sugar, bakery items, red meat, processed meat, juices, alcohol, colas, trans fat, processed and packaged food. Look for hidden sugar in form of high fructose corn syrup, maltose, dextrose. Be a wise consumer. Don't consume fruits with meals. Also understand exercise helps stabilize your sugar levels, and strength training helps improve your insulin resistance. So make it a part of your life. Monitor your sugar levels regularly to be in control. Few superfoods that you should be considering if you have diabetes is jamun vinegar. A cap full of jamun vinegar before breakfast and lunch in half cup of water will do wonders. Methi seeds water, I shared a post about methi seeds water. I'll share the link in the description. Kalonji seeds and kalonji oil are a great way. So people, diabetes is a disease which can be beautifully controlled by what you eat and how you eat. So eat right, exercise right, hydrate well, avoid high fat food, avoid high sugar food, eat right portions. You can reduce the medication dosage to a large extent. And if diagnosed early and if there is insulin in the body, you can actually do away with the medication. So you and only you can reverse this condition. So like, share and subscribe, and if you have any question, please put them in the comment section and I will get back to you with the answers. Take care. Bye bye.